to Winton School. I'm Richard. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for our para, the 4th of June.
Okay, we start today with te kupu o te wiki.
This week's word is Hamoa, which is te rere for Samoa.
Mr. T's problem solving team, you have a lunchtime session today in the group room at 12:40. Thank you.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Lost property news. You have heaps of shoes and polar fleeces still in the foyer outside room 2 in the junior block.
As you can see us on the big screen behind us,
Whoa!
That's a lot of lost property.
So if you're shoeless or maybe clueless, go check out the lost property of shame.
Okay, big announcement about tomorrow. There will be no sausage sizzle and no hot chocolates on sale.
The senior school will be away across country and there'll be no sausages or hot chocolates.
So bring your lunches tomorrow.
High vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the Winton School.